my sister's coming over for dinner and she loves my crispy potatoes. I'm planning on leaving the skins on, so I have to make sure they're clean. So we've been spending a lot of time together. She's been coming over for dinner. I don't really follow a recipe, I just follow my heart. I'm adding some cumin, some basil, paprika. This is cilantro y achote. I love this stuff. Garlic powder, rosemary. You always need some salt. I'm putting my favorite spice in, a little bit of oil. Now I'm gonna make a little salad for the potatoes. Okay, actually my sister got here a little bit early. Hi! I grew up with 4 siblings. My house was always really chaotic and loud, so I love having my sister around. I'm adding some chickpeas, adding some limes, oil, salt, black pepper, and a little bit of basil. Also some Dijon mustard, and then some maple syrup.
Dude, don't forget, I don't want tomatoes or potatoes on the salad.
Emily, shut up, dude. Okay, we're gonna eat. Bye.